Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by proving ownership and the transaction. Log into your Riot account and confirm the email and Riot ID match the purchase. Next, locate the VP receipt or bank/card statement showing the exact amount and date. Screenshots are fine if clear. Once done, export or screenshot the purchase confirmation from the platform you used, PC, console, or store page, because support needs those precise details to match your claim and speed up verification. Next, create a targeted ticket in Riot support under Purchases, then VP issue. Write a clear subject line, missing VP from purchase on date. In the message, explain what happened, list the order ID or platform transaction ID, attach screenshots of receipts and the in-game VP balance screen, and provide the last 4 digits of the payment method. Explain why you expect VP and include timestamps. This helps staff reproduce and resolve the discrepancy faster. Finish by monitoring your email and the support portal for the ticket ID and any follow-up questions. Reply promptly within 48 hours to avoid delays. If support asks for more proof, provide additional screenshots or transaction logs and politely request escalation if the issue persists. If resolution fails, verify your payment wasn't refunded or blocked by the store, confirm your account region matches the purchase, and consider submitting a second ticket referencing the original support ID for continuity.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.